Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Palak Dal, where she cooks the lentils with spinach and then tempers it with spices. It is healthy, delicious, and one of the most common spinach recipes made in Indian homes. Wow, that looks so yummy and mouth-watering. Let's get straight to the preparation. We've put the ingredients at the end of the video. Wash the Toor Dal a couple of times, then add a little hot water and set aside to soak for 15 minutes. Drain the water, then add the drained Toor Dal, 3 cups of water, turmeric and salt to a pressure cooker. Cook for 1 whistle and simmer for 5 minutes. Do not open, set aside to cool naturally. It's an important note, do not open the pressure cooker till all the steam has been released naturally. Wash the spinach leaves, then chop and set aside. We've finished with the preparation steps. We're moving to the method now. Heat oil in the wok. Add in the cumin seeds, Asfoetida, and the onions, and fry. Drop in the chopped green chilies and the salt. Fry. Add in the ginger paste and the garlic paste, and fry until the onions turn light brown. Drop in the coriander seed powder, the chili powder, and the cumin seed powder. Again, fry. Add in the tomato puree and fry well till the tomatoes get soft, water evaporates, and the oil separates. Drop in the chopped spinach leaves. Toss it about. Drop in the dried fenugreek leaves. Make sure you crush it to release the aroma and the flavor. Fry, then add in the boiled Toor Dal that we boiled earlier in the pressure cooker. Mix well. Drop in the tamarind pulp and the chopped green coriander and give it a good stir. Drop in the Garam Masala and the blob of butter. Note, you can add the required amount of butter to adjust to your taste and liking. Then again add in the required amount of hot water and mix. Bring it to boil. At this point, taste and add salt and green chilies if required. It all depends on your taste, and this is the point where you adjust the dish to your liking. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Now we are moving to the seasoning stage. You heat oil in a small pan, drop in the seasoning ingredients, which is the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, dried chilies, and curry leaves. Fry well till the garlic turns light brown. Then remove from the fire, add in a little chili powder, give it a quick mix, and then drop the seasoning over the Palak Dal. Doesn't that look yummy and delicious? Mix and cover and simmer for a couple of minutes until done. As mentioned earlier, these are the ingredients for the main curry. And now the ingredients for the seasoning. That's it. Lovely Palak Dal. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.